Hello everybody. Uh, I messed with a few things today, but one of them, I messed with the 67's hood that I'm making. Now as a recap, I've taken 3 hoods and made 1 hood. I had a 67 flat Malibu hood, a 66 flat Malibu hood, and a 69 Super Sport hood. I've had to cut the inner structure out of the 66 hood because the 67 hood had been skinned. And cut in the center. And the center out of a 69 hood because I wanted some kind of bumps. You know, I wanted some kind of louvers to be in the hood. I didn't have any 67 Super Sport stuff left, so I took the 69 and I'm making one. It's not perfect. It doesn't really have to be perfect because that's what body filler's for. So I've got to work on that weld some and work on this weld some. That side of the 69 hood was still fine. This side of the hood was folded almost straight down from the edge of that scoop. So it's a lot of work to get it to the point that it kind of looks okay. So we ran into issues with the peak not lining up with the 69s. This had already been cut, but in order for that to halfway line up, it had to change the angle to match this. And it's still going to make me have to fill it all the way back through here some to blend a sharp edge into a flat edge. But at the end of the day, it's costing me some material and some time. And I'm having something that's different than the rest. I can't be common. I've got to be different. I can't do something the easy way. I've got to do it the hard way. I can't just take a Malibu and clone a Super Sport and leave it alone and not have to change the cowl and all kinds of stuff. I have to take a car that was wrecked in 1977 and fix it more than 40 years later with parts that were too rough to use 20 years ago. I can't be normal. So, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the hood and everything. Until next time, God bless and thanks for watching. Bye.